Ihaneri ribiro mu cyaro cya Road Barrier mu Burembe ya Division mu Kasese Municipality.
Achaye narufuma mnyatune mutaka akatubito kwa bana narufuma ntunia ho amalaga amalai amahunire narufuma ekintu kyambatangula pa tuma tumbino bagamusura omwashangeta kumbe nechipanga.
Nelson Tumushime omugamblizi wa polisi abucyange cya Rwenzori East yahamya makuraga hamwe nago kwatwa kwanya kutekatekwaho okuba n'uwatemera omukazuwe Hassan Ngombi Kadogo okubahwera mu kuchondoza.
One Hassan Ngobi alias Kadogo on a charge of attempted murder. He is alleged to have cut his wife Mbambu Esther, and he cut both hands of his wife.
The children were also giving a lot of stories concerning the domestic violences that has been at home. Kadogo has been always biased of his wife. He even sharpened the panga yesterday in the morning, according to his children.
Okurugera mugamirizi wa polisi obutabanguko bw'omaka omucyange cya Rwenzori East nubwo yongera kandi buri n'ubuteganisa maka.
Recently, in just 5 days ago, we registered a case of murder by stabbing, where a retired sergeant Kwaire Cipriano, a 65 years old, stabbed his wife to death.
Nyakutemwa emikono Esther Mbambu ariyo natungo bjanjabi ayirwariya St Mary's Hospital gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.